Hey there, it's Elizabeth and welcome back to another journal with me. Take two. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. Yeah, I already filmed a video, a journal with me, and then my camera just cut off, probably because I just had too many videos stored on it, so I needed to delete some space. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I hope y'all are doing well. I'll go over what I did in the first video just so you don't miss out. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me on these journal with me videos. They are so much fun to film and y'all really seem to be enjoying them. So thank you so much. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so that you get notified the next time a video comes out. Yeah. I don't know when this is going to come out because generally what I do is whenever I'm in here working, I'll just turn on the camera while I'm doing what I'm doing, and then I just upload it and schedule it for the next slot. You know what I'm saying? So that's how I do it. You might, every day it's just a mix, you know, you might get, I generally put out like 5 videos a week too, every day of the work week, Monday through Friday. And that's just how I schedule them. So it could be a journal with me, it could be a flip through, it could be a glue book, it could be harvesting magazines, it could be whatever. I mean, so many different things. So if I wanted to mention, if you're interested in just one particular type of video of mine, like you enjoy perhaps seeing just the journal with me videos, I have playlists. You know, I have lots of playlists. So make sure on my main channel page, you can go to the playlist button and then it'll show you all the different ones. Like if you want to see my tutorials, sort of, you can watch those. If you want to see just the flip throughs, you can watch those. If you want to see just the journal with me's, you can watch those. If you want to see ramble sessions, you can just watch those. So up to you. But I do thank you for your support. Okay, so this is what I did right before my camera conked out on me, okay? So I am filming this. It really doesn't matter. I don't know why I insist on telling you when I'm filming this, because it's going to be totally different from the day that you actually see it come out. It's going to come out in like a couple of weeks. Anyway, this is Friday, June 5th, and I had a fabulous time with my girlfriends. This is Lynn from Love Lynn's Life, Holly from Journal with Dolly, me, and Allison from AJ's Inspired Life. And I doodled these pictures of us. So fun, so cute. And I glued them on top of a phone, right? Because we had our video chat, like a video chat for the month, if you will. And it was so much fun. And yeah, it was just such a nice time to get together, to just share with one another, to just crack up with one another. Yeah, and it's really quite funny too, because we're all varying ages, you know, like, I mean, well, Lynn and Holly are literally like half my age. And then Allison and I are around the same age. So, but we have this commonality of journaling and being creative. And so it's so much fun. And I know, like Holly was saying the other day, that it's so interesting because there's not an age gap at all. Like there is an age gap technically, but we don't feel that there's an age gap. And so, yeah, it was just a really great day. So I doodled a little bit, the group of us, and I did my walking, and my husband brought me home some flowers. And then on this page here, this was a Saturday, and I know I did not do anything this day, but I was watching some videos, and this is a very loose watercolor, beautiful, watercolor flower thing. That a lady named Suzanne Rose Art, that's her YouTube channel, I believe, and I will of course leave all the links below, you know me. And I really want to try this because it was super fun to watch, super relaxing to watch, and she uses a lot of different medium. And so, well, generally like water soluble things. And so, yeah, it was a lot of fun, and I wanted to use this also. If you go over to her YouTube channel, in her links below, she does have a website where she has free downloadables, right? So I downloaded that, And I downloaded this one as well. So beautiful. Oh my goodness. Maybe I'll just put this on this page and just use it like that. Just beautiful. Thank you so much if you're watching. I doubt it, but but if you are watching, thank you so much for just giving of your time and talent. I love it when people do that, you know. These wonderfully talented people, and then they offer their items, you know, as a free downloadable. Of course, it's for personal use only. Okay, so on this day here, I was telling you in the past video that I didn't know what I was going to do, but then I remembered I do believe on this day I was jelly plating, which I don't do very often, so maybe I'll just use this as the background. I'm not sure if I'm going to scan it yet or not, okay? And then right before my video cut out, I was working on this page, which is June 3rd. So, yeah, so let's get started on this page, and we're just going to, yeah, just do it, folks, just do it. So we went to Popeyes again. I know, not the healthiest of choices, but they are so good. The Popeyes sandwich, oh my gosh, I love them. A little too much, I might add, yeah. But my daughter and I had been at the school most of the morning, and so yeah, I was helping her. Now, you know, this is video number 2, so I can't remember what I've told you and what I haven't, but on this day, I went to the school with my daughter because she needed to clean out her room. Not really like clean it out. She's not changing rooms, but she did need to put her books away and her personal materials and stuff like that, because the school is once again using her room for summer school. So she just had to kind of get it, you know, cleaned up a little bit. All right, scoot over there, Pop. Okay, let's see. We're just gonna go like this. It's kind of down, okay. I don't really care if it's wrinkled. Don't care in the least, okay? So we're gonna glue that over top. Excuse me. Okay. Oh, my husband is now home from the grocery store. I can hear him. I'm not going to be on here too long. I just wanted to bring you along, and it's a shame that my camera quit on me the last time I was doing a video, which really stinks, I have to add. It really, I hate it when it does that. Especially, you know, because like I film just about every day, so. Okay, there's that. I liked this right here, elevate your awareness, of course, with what is going on in our nation these days. Not only elevate your awareness, but elevate your education, elevate your knowledge about certain things, you know. In other words, don't believe everything you know, see and read on social media. Oh, I don't know. I hear somebody out there. That's just my thought, okay? It's just my thought. Okay, and then I liked this here. We're in this together. Oh, and then I thought this was so funny. Like when I was helping my daughter clear out her room, it says, the kids put these all over the room. Here's the coronavirus with a big X through it. No germs, wash your hands, be coronavirus free. This was right before the school closed. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna put this. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put everything. Oh, here's my little sneaker for walking. And then I have this, we're all in this together. I have another germ thing. A hamburger showing that that's, or a chicken sandwich, right? And then this here, yeah. So I'll go ahead and put all these on here somehow. On this page here, I'm going to do, I think this jelly print, why not? And then on this page, I have to find some things to fill up. This page was on June 2nd. We had some family members down for a visit. That was really fun. And my daughter and I played this game, Spotted. It was a new game she got in the, you know, she had ordered, and it was super fun. And then all the kids went swimming this day too. So that was a lot of fun. And then I'm just gonna work on these pages and the rest of them as well. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do today. This will be Sunday's page, today's page, and I'm not sure. I might just put this on here and then do some little things, because I'm not really, I don't think I'm gonna do all that much today. Relax, play in my room, that sort of thing. And that's it. So I'm gonna go see if my husband needs any help. Boy, this was a short one. Short one. Maybe the shortest one yet. Yeah. This was a lot of fun too. Yeah, so I'm gonna finish up these pages and keep on going, keep on going. So yeah, I hope you guys had your journals out and journaled along with me. And yeah, thanks so much for sharing your time with me. And I will talk to you all real soon. Have a great day. Have a great rest of your weekend or week or whatever. Don't forget again to subscribe and click that bell if you want to catch more of my videos. And I'll talk to you all real soon. Real soon. Yes. Bye for now.